Here are some great deals that we're going to be able to get at Walgreens starting Sunday, March 15. So let's jump right into it. But actually, before we do, don't forget to like and follow so you can continue to receive notifications of when I post and you can be able to save lots of money. Share so that other people can enjoy the same savings just like you and I. And now, let's get into the video. Let's start off with one of my favorite deals at Walgreens. It's the 3 for $9. This would include the Dawn Febreze Gain and the Mr. Clean items. 3 for $9 means that each item is going to be only $3. You can use Walgreens cash to pay or register rewards from other purchases, or you could put it into a bigger transaction and use a paper perk. Or if you happen to have digital perk, you can do that as well. But $3 each, not bad at all. Then we're going to go next here to the 4 for $16. These are the smaller ones, the gains, like they're 46 ounces each, I believe. And then you have the pods as well. 4 for $16. Again, it includes Dawn, Febreze, or Gain. Really good deal. 4 for $16. Not bad at all. Each one will be, $4 each. And then we have here the 4 for $16 also. And you're going to be able to get the Cascade in this case, which they don't show it here, but the Cascade, the Dawn, Febreze, Mr. Clean, or Swiffer. So Swiffer is also included for $4 each, basically at the end. These are the real big ones. You see over here that they have it for $5.99. So you're going to get the other one is the same size. It's just the one that says platinum. Okay. So check your store to make sure you're picking up the ones that participate. Scan it with your phone at the store to make sure that they don't overcharge you, meaning that they don't charge you the price of the one that doesn't belong in this sale, or else you would be paying the $5.99. Let's move on to another deal. Also, if you're seeing this video before Sunday, go ahead and clip any coupons that you may have for any of these deals or any deals in general, so that just in case anything happens and we no longer have them available later on during the week, you still clip them ahead of time, so it should still be in your account. And here I'm interested in this. If you're not, that's okay, but let someone know that they need it. This is going to be 2 for $21, but you're going to have to pick up a total of 4 packs in order for you to get $10 back in your registered reward in store. And the reason you would have to pick up 4 packs is because you have to reach at least $35 or more. And in order for you to do that, you would have to pick 4 packs, which would equal to $42, and then be able to get this registered reward. But also, many times we do, it doesn't show it here, but many times we do get digital coupons for these, maybe $3 or $4. Not sure what they're going to come up with since it doesn't give me more information. But check again starting on Sunday, March 15th. I'm sorry, Sunday, March 16th. So you're going to be able to pick these up, let's say $42, and let's say they just put it $3 off. That will make it at $39, but they're going to give you 10 back. So it'll be $29 divided by the 4 of them. So also, because you're getting back a registered reward, you're able to use, you can use either Walgreens Cash. If you're not using a perk, you can use Walgreens Cash and then you get your registered reward, or you can use registered reward with a perk. So up to you how you want to put it together. If you're interested in knowing more details or putting orders together for the Pampers or anything I'm telling you, let me know in the comments and I'll make your video on that. We will be having some cereal, 2 for $5 from the General Mills. That means that each one is going to come out to $2.50. So check any coupons that you may have for that as well. Check Ibotta, check Fetch, any apps that give you cash back, so you could lower your cost as well. Check Garnier products. They're going to be 2 for $8. And we're going to get back $3 in a register reward when we buy two. But also check your coupons to see what you have available. Sometimes we get a $3 or $4 digital coupon for it. So we might end up paying either a dollar or two, or sometimes even for free. So check what coupons you have so that you can make this deal even better. We have a Nivea deal, the body wash. They're going to be $5 each. And when you spend $15 or more, you're going to get $5 back in Walgreens cash, so back into your account instead of a registered reward. So for example, you pick up three, it'll be a total of $15, and you're going to get $5 back into your account. So you're going to get three of them for $10, or about three and change each one. But many times when we get this deal, if we do it online, it's better because a lot of times they give us like the promo code just Nivea, the same word as a body wash. You're going to be able to put that code Nivea and then get $5 off online. So if you did it online, you're getting back five, you're getting off five. That's a total of 10 in savings. So you'll end up paying $5 for three. So make sure you clip any coupons and check for any promo codes for that particular offer so you can get it to the best price. For Colgate, we have $4 each. You pick up two for a total of $8, and you're going to get back $3 in a registered reward, so that'll be in-store purchase. but you check your coupons because a lot of times we might get like a $3 or $4 total off. So I believe we have $2 off for each one, like for two toothpaste or for one toothpaste and one toothbrush. If that was the case, that'll be $4 off of the eight. You're down to four, but you're gonna get back three. So both of them will be $1. So again, clip everything before going into the store or before putting any online orders so you can get the best deals that you can possibly get. And again, if you see it before on Sunday, even better. Okay, just to make sure you have everything ready. Don't forget to like and follow for more videos, share so that more people can enjoy. Until the next one, and don't forget to smile.